Video, let us talk about how to drag and drop on simulator. I'm going to explain drag and drop an icon from one page to another page in the simulator using control key. Let me go to the demo. Okay, already I launched the iPhone 11 in the simulator. I want to move this news app from this page to the last page. For that, first click and drag and keep it and click control. Now it is holding there. Now go to the last page where you want to move it, and then now take it and move it, and done. Now that news app is moved from previous page to this page. This is how you can move an icon or drag and drop the icon from one page to another page using control and click. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.